Welcome to
Fun for Kids.
Like, share, subscribe.
Let's have fun!
Milo sits. Milo sits with a smile so bright. Sketchbook open, colors light. One little drawing, watch it grow. Magic starts with a color glow. Milo draws with red so fine. A tiny car forms every line. Zoom! It grows big, shiny, new. Milo rides it, vroom, vroom, vroom. Now Milo takes his green so neat. Draws a sapling soft and sweet. Pop! It grows a leafy tree. Milo plants it happily. With yellow now he draws a mango, round and bright just like a rainbow. Whoosh! It pops into his hand. Milo eats it, oh so grand. Blue comes next, he draws a stream. Shiny water with a gentle gleam. Swish! It flows around his feet. Milo jumps, splash, splash, so sweet. With white he makes a puffy cloud. Soft and fluffy, not too loud. Float! It lifts him in the air. Milo flies up everywhere. Last Milo takes the purple tone. Draws a shiny magic balloon. Pop! It rises round and high. Milo laughs as it fills the sky. Colors dance around the book. Magic grows, just take a look. Milo's drawings come alive. With every color, dreams arise.